This is the Focus Security FC-7448 bus alarm host. It is a large-scale fire and burglar alarm host. It can be connected to all kinds of fire and anti-theft detectors. The host has 8 wired defense zones. It can be expanded to up to 240 zones. The expanded equipment includes modules of 7448 of the 8th defense zone and the 7401 module of the single defense zone. The longest bus transmission distance can reach 1.6 kilometers. This is the programming keyboard for the host. Open the case cover. This is the control board for the alarm host. There is full connection of the alarm horn. We connected to a strobe light. It flashes when the host alarms. This is the auxiliary power output interface. This row is the wiring port. RBGY is the auxiliary output bus. It can be connected to 32 relay or serial port module. The next set of RBGY connect to the keyboard. The next 4 ports are the ports for the alarm phone. These are 2 programmable output ports. 1到8 are the 8 wired zones of the alarm host. Use resistance short-circuiting when you are not using it. PWR connects to the power supply. Bus connects to the defense bus. If we connect to the 8 zones module, all 4 ports need to be connected. If the single defense module is connected, you only need to connect the 2 ports of bus. The first 2 ports do not need to be connected. The next group is the same as the previous group. Each group can be connected to up to 120 zones. This is a port for 110 到220伏 AC power supply. It provides power to the main board after voltage transformation by transformer. The black and red cables are the standby power ports. We've connected a pair of infrared sunbeams to the alarm host. We used the single zone address module. Only bus 2 wires need to be connected with single zone module. Connect to the FC-7448 single zone address module. The red wire is connected to the bus positive terminal. Any black wire on the module is connected to the bus negative terminal. The yellow wire is connected in series to a resistor then connected to the NC port of the beam. The black cable is connected to the beam COM port. R is the positive and negative terminal of the beam power supply. Additional power supply is required. Next, we need to dip the address module. To assign the address to the beam, there are numbers 1234567 on the module. 1234567 corresponds to 12481632642. The bus zone is from 9. Turn dip switches E and S upward. So, the beam zone number is 9. Next, we need to program zone 9 into the alarm host. Programming through keyboard operations. Start by typing 9876 号0. Enter the system setting mode. First restore factory settings. Enter 40801 号. The alarm host is restored to factory settings. The code for zone 9 is 0039, so we enter 39 号 on address bar. Then program somehow as zone attribute of perimeter zone. You can program it according to the menu. Enter to finish programming. About 2 seconds or so, alarm host exit programming. Next, arm the alarm host to test. Enter password and click arm. Alarm host arm indicator lights up. Move the beam or block it with seek object. The keyboard says 009 zone alarm. The strobe light that is connected to the alarm host blinks. Use the keyboard to disarm the system. Enter password and click disarm on keyboard. More guide at tverdrd.com/forum